What?
There's even
Huh?
a movie about this.
What about it? Sentinel?
Yeah, there's
True Heroes? It's nice, huh? So they made a movie about the toy soldiers? Huh? Okay. Come on, Liano, here.
I wanted to keep watching this.
Huh?
I wanted to keep watching.
Okay. Look at this! Wow! It's a giant truck! It's a giant war truck! I see a helicopter and 3 big missiles. Wow! And what is that? A toy gun? Nice, huh? Julian, come on, oh here, I saw the planes. Which one do you like?
I like this one.
What? This?
No, this one.
Oh, this?
Yes.
What are those?
A jet fighters.
Jet fighters?
And the back has
What?
this.
Why do you like this jet fighters?
Because it's so favorite.
Huh?
My favorite.
Your favorite?
And I have
All the toys are your favorite, Julian.
yes, let's go and put it in a
Well,
shopping.
ask mommy if she's going to buy it for you.
I want a shopping cart.
Shopping cart? What's that, by the way?
It's the airplane toys.
Another set?
Jet fighters and
then put it in
an Apache helicopter.
Oh.
I need some help. This here.
Well, ask mommy to help you.
Can you open it? Thank you. This should be sideways. Like here, Uncle.
From the tree. Orange.
No, it's a boat wheel.
Okay.
It's a boat.
Okay.
Yeah. This is really hard.
Hold it.
What They're really, really good open. But don't put them. What is this? Look, it's a bit too small. It's so small.
Yeah.
It's 5 things so small. And here's
Oh.
It flies in a supersonic speed. Very, very fast.
and then here's my other thing. It comes with this one. This one comes. This is the other jet fighter. This is a jet fighter number 2. And wow!
Let me see this.
Looking for a Quandin. I'm going to fly.
Let me see that one. Let me see.
airplane has the other airplane. It has the other airplane, Daddy.
Oh, I know. What?
They have the other airplane.
A small one, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
And this one takes this airplane, and then this airplane was the teammate now. This airplane was the teammate now.
I see.
And this guy was still flying, and then she dropped it. She went it up, and then this guy was a teammate now.
I see.
And then there are two airplanes now flying, Daddy.
I see.
Now it's a big. These are like guns. This one is baby one. This one is baby. It has like this, and then all the way there, the driver's seat is there, and then this.
So, Julian, who are the enemies?
The enemies are this one. Far away.
Those are the enemies?
No,
So, who are the good guys? Or which one are the good guys?
the good guys are these airplanes.
Oh, those are the good guys. I see. So, these are the bad guys? The jet fighters? Hmm.
This one is smaller. Maybe check this one. This is the same size than this one. And this one has a boost. That's a boost to make so she won't get shot.
I see.
So then shot. Then bam bam boom boom, and then she just tried in the boom boom. She made her broken, then she collapsed. But the people inside then is not dead. And then she wanted to the bad guys, and then she went fly. And then it's on fire, and then it's happened, and so boom. So we're going to the bad guys. Look at this one. I have the machine gun here.
Machine gun?
Yeah, over here. But this one have missiles.
I see. So,
Then the
who's gonna win? The good guy or the bad guy?
the good guy or this airplane.
I see.
Then boom. And then she must, and she can do this.
And then the bad guy Missile!